What's up, YouTube? Alright, we out here on the Fat Bob. It's been like a week and a half. It's been raining like non-stop. You know, they got that storm over there in the Gulf or whatever. You may see something a little different. What happened was, I got tired of looking at myself all the time. So I moved the ball lid from on top to the bottom. You know, I kind of like it so far. Still needs a little playing with, but I like it. I like it a lot. You really see a lot. Oh yeah, don't forget the joke. Oh yeah. So I brought my mom my report card. She said I need to see more A's. I said, okay. That's so stupid. Maybe I'll come up with another one and cut it in there. But I got some things to do today. We're gonna go to the doctor, and then I am also gonna do a couple reviews. One on this tank bag that I forgot to zip. Yep, guess it ain't getting zipped right now. Also, we're going to do a review of the SA Company face mask, which I adore. I love those things. They're so awesome. I use them not just for riding, but like yard work and stuff like that. All right, zip the bag. Zip the bag. Always forget to zip the bag. What? Didn't forget my hat though. And yeah, we're just kind of going to ride around a little bit. This is, like I said, this is the one day in like a week and a half it ain't rained, so hey, you gotta get it while you can. I'm liking these mirrors though. I see a good bit. I see why people do that, and then I like it. It cleans it up on top. You know, just got my phone, and that's it. Rice burners unite. Oh, 5-0, rolling up. What? Oh, I'll be glad when I hit that 500 miles. And I can really open her up, because right now I gotta like baby it. And I mean, it's good because, you know, it allows you to get used to the bike. You know, especially me coming from the Spider. It allows me to get used to it, but I can't wait to open this bad boy up. Speaking of which, I have been working on a name. Now, I've been looking at this bike for about 3 weeks. That's about as long as I've had it, and I could not figure out a name. You know, I can't be generic and go, oh yeah, that's Bob. Nah, that's stupid. So, looking back on who I am and what I like, one thing I love is the Blues Brothers. So I have decided that this should be from henceforth Elwood. Oh yeah, it's Tuesday. Bike night, bitches. Oh yeah, bike night. Gonna see if I can't spotlight. The last time I was, I had like this awesome trike. You know, it had like an old Volkswagen motor in it. Oh, excuse me. So hopefully that guy will be there today, and we can, you know, talk to him about it. That'd be awesome. Oh yeah, and I gotta take some pictures of Elwood today. I love that I can charge my phone right through the USB on this bike. That is just so awesome. There we go. Alright, YouTube, it's windy. It rained while I was at the doctor's office. I'd been in there for like an hour past my appointment. So, at least I didn't get wet. I'll give it that. And on the bright side, I found out that this bag is pretty waterproof because the shit in it didn't get wet. But overall, having the mirrors down there is fucking awesome. And it was free. I didn't have to buy no other mirrors. You know, I see why people switch these tires. I can already kind of feel them, excuse me, kind of moving around with the moisture. So, and I see why that, I watched on YouTube, there was a Harley dealer in the UK that took the Fat Bob on a dirt track. And with the tires that come stock on it, I can see why. It looked like it handled pretty well. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'm not talented enough or you know, cool enough to take that on take it on a dirt track. But I mean, I guess if it wasn't mine, it wouldn't matter. Picture time. Well, I got it. While it's not raining, we'll take a picture. If the weather holds out for another, you know, 4 or 5 hours, I'm going to Hooters for bike night, and I'll take some pictures there too. I need to turn around. I want a picture. Right about there. Oh, shit. Well, that's it. Obviously, I'm home. Like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell on. Deuces.